What's up, good people? It's your boy Brandon, aka the Bearded Scientist, aka the Science Guy, aka the Martha Stewart of Science, coming to you live from the lab. I've been working up, cooking up some real dope activities, that I got coming down the pipeline. I want y'all to stay tuned. Cause this week we're gonna make some fluorescent slime. We're gonna do the water to wine activity. And I've been holding on this one like for a very long time. But we're gonna make some edible balloons. So stay tuned. Hey, you don't want to miss this. It's gonna be really, really insightful. We're gonna cover a wide variety of topics like polymerization, chemical reactions, and diabetes. Because we're gonna eat edible balloons, and that's the only thing I can tie it to is diabetes and not eating a lot of sugar and taking care of your skin and going to the doctor and all this stuff. So, hey, stay tuned for my up and coming videos, fluorescent slime, the water to wine activity, talking about chemical reactions, and edible balloons. Holla at your boy. Yeah.